Background Eraser app for Android is a photo editing application designed to help users remove backgrounds from images easily and efficiently. This app is particularly useful for those who want to create transparent backgrounds for their photos, enabling them to isolate subjects or prepare images for graphic design, collages, or other creative projects. Best Background Eraser app typically features a user-friendly interface that allows users to select images and quickly begin the editing process. The app often includes tools like automatic background removal, manual cropping, and fine-tuning options to ensure precise edits. Users can adjust settings to enhance accuracy, reducing time spent on editing. Additionally, many versions of Background Eraser may provide features like the ability to save images in various formats, share them directly on social media, or combine them with other editing functions. With its practical capabilities and ease of use, Background Eraser serves as a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their images or create professional-looking graphics on their Android devices.